So, hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. You all want to know why your listing isn't ranking, why people are ignoring the product, why people are basically ignoring your page. So, it actually shows you because in today's small tutorial, we're gonna see how to use Etsy search visibility page. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we all want to access the shop manager. Shop manager, it's basically the whole shop. So we're gonna get started by opening our basically Bing, Google, browser, whatsoever, whatever you call it. Go and look for Etsy or Etsy.com directly. Tap on the link, then go and use your email address and password to access your dashboard or your shop manager. Then tap shop manager here. Then you will be able to select marketing to select search visibility. Review the keyword suggestions, checklist and optimization scores, then apply recommended improvements. So what you will see is missing tags, weak title, or even optimization suggestions. It all depends on your own basically page. As for like a pro tip, use this page weekly basically to continue the improvement ranking. So keep checking this marketing section every like month or every 2 weeks to keep improving your own shop. And that's the whole idea. That's what we all want. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.